Hey friends, got another video for you. This video is a summary of the stream I did focusing around my Twitch bot. This is a Twitch bot that interacts with the chat and displays a couple GIFs on the screen. Hopefully this will be insightful and give you a sort of a start of the beginning of something that probably will become a lot more complicated. If you're interested in streams like this and videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe below, but also check out my Twitch channel where I stream Tuesdays and Fridays every week. Here's Mutual Fun. I forgot I have captioning on, so I could see it actually working, so I don't need to actually unmute or anything like that. That's awesome. Cool. I love this. I love that feature. And I see Brandon, you're already here. Welcome. Welcome to Mutual Fun. This is the place where it's happening. And I'm talking about my new project that I just unleashed, which is beybot. It's something that I had mentioned, I had alluded to from stage at GitHub Satellite, and to be quite honest, this is like the third iteration of it. I've tried a couple different notification squad. Yeah, awesome. Smashed that Taco Bell, which I was actually just remarking that the bell icon, actually, yeah, got a bell icon right here. It's very much like, I mean, it is a bell, but it's a Taco Bell too as well. Here was my Taco Bell right here. And I mentioned the fact that I do have this Beyonce bot, which is running. So if I type in the word yo. Oh, so you did hear it. Okay. Yeah, because I'm actually seeing that my second audio is working. Horns heard. Okay, cool. I'm going to change the horns because the horns is kind of annoying. But so you heard the horns, but the only thing that you didn't see is actually my browser source. So let me pull this. Also, I did not say follow Jesus. I don't know why the caption is catching that. So excellent. So I did add my browser source, and that's going to be beybot, and the horn was all for nothing. Oops, sound like I just got a package delivered. All right, so I'm going to throw the beybot right here in the middle, and then save that, lock it down. So just doing that on screen, even though I was super incepted, probably not necessary to show that. But what I wanted to do is actually go back to the chat and type in yo one more time. Enable. Cool. So now you can see that not only can you see the Beyonce on the screen, but you also see it inside the beybot. So what I'm doing is basically using this website, which is the GitHub page, to produce a GIF on the screen. That says, I was actually curious on how people were doing this on Twitch for quite some time. And a lot of people, they sort of do a lot of hand waving. I'm not sure what it is with Twitch and like not really sharing your secret sauce on how things are made. There's a couple of things that I had to do. So let me just look at the code real quick. And you can see that this is like simply just a HTML page. And I'm using this minified Comfy.js. So Comfy.js actually comes from InstaFluff, another code streamer. So like, it's quite amusing that all these code streamers are now starting to build like products and projects out of their streams, which is super helpful. Because when I first started streaming 2 years ago, because I started streaming 2 years ago, but fell off really quickly. I did it for like a month, and it was like, it didn't really seem like a place to be to write code, so I stopped. That changed in the last 6 months, so now I'm back. So I'm just sort of riding the wave. But I mentioned this because this guy's awesome. He's he's super fun to watch, but also he took the concept of TMI.js and created like a nice wrapper around it. So there's a lot of stuff that you just can't figure out with TMI.js, and he just made it a lot easier. And he also minified it and then hosted that on a CDN as well, which is honestly, I don't even know what JS Deliver is. And that was as far as I got before I got it to work by putting the audio element on the page, and then so it's still there. So I think if you, yeah, so you can see up on the top, you can see the icon just sitting there, which is quite annoying. So me testing it on Chrome is probably not a big of a deal, but I had to have this audio tag for it to actually play and not error. That's what I discovered. I also had to like set the muted flag too as well for that to work. What I do want to do is display none. And I could do it in CSS, but I'm just going to do it in style tag, which I think this should work. And then I'm going to open it up. I also was playing with VS Code this morning too as well. Yeah, cool. My hope is that I can do a good job of explaining this. Probably not live on the chat. I'll probably write some blog post and also probably do some like separate videos. So that way people can just get the specific context, because I started this because I could not figure out how to do Twitch chat integrations myself without digging into someone else's code. But I'd love to like build a use case similar to what the ComfyJS guy, InstaFluff, did and shared it with everybody. It'd be great to just have a place where you can actually see it all working. Jason has been an inspiration to me doing this, as well as figuring out a lot of this stuff. So Jason has, the reason I found the chatbot is because first thing I did last night was look at his chat, because it was the first time I actually got time to sit and think through how to approach this. And I saw he was using ComfyJS. Yeah, corgis. But yeah, with that, I think I have to jump off. I'll share a doc, hopefully in the README or something for like, but maybe I'll do something more of like this, but I don't know what these boxes are. All right. Oh, I should probably say that this was mutual fun, because that was my thing, and I haven't really said that a lot, but